Okay, here we are up at White Cedars, July 5th or 6th. It's like 90 degrees. All May wants to do is play in the water. It's even too hot to walk. And it's only 9 in the morning. There's Callie getting a drink. Frogging and toading her thing. And there's Diane looking spiffy in her nautical wear. And there's Jamie. Go for a swim, Jay. Go for a swim. Go for a swim. Come on. Attaboy. Good boy, Jay. You see, Callie? Callie? Diving for cookies.
She's waiting for you to throw her ball.
You want, May? Oh, there's the ball. Oh, she got it. Mace? Is that fun?
Maisie, Maisie, come. Good girl. Come. Come. Maisie. Come. Out. 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 You still have to do agility on Friday, you know. Out. Good girl. Go this way. Ready? Go this way. Good girl. Good girl. Come. Maisie. Come. 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 Come.
Kelly says, I'm here, Mom.
Good girl.
The tug and fool.
Yeah. You want to see her swimming?
Sure.
As long as we don't get it where she can't get in. Maisie!
Can always get it. I can always go get the kayak. Worst comes to worst.
Hey, Callie. Callie. Come. Good girl. Come. Good girlie. Good girlie. Come.
Oh, you're good.
Go get it. Good girl.
Sorry, it's July 7th, 2010, as my camera says. Oh, it's having trouble getting the ball. Go get it, May! Go!
Go get it, May. Go.
Maisie, go get the bolly! Go get it!
Go there. She can get that.
Go on! Go get it!
Hey, May. Ready? Go. Go get it. Good girl.
She can't get it the first time. Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh. He thinks our ball's floating away. Go get the bolly, May!
Maisie, ready? Ready, ready? Go. Go get it. Go get it.
Ready, go! Go on! Go get your bolly! Hurry! Mace, go on, go get your ball. Go try.
Maisie, Maisie.
Go try.
Ready, ready, ready. Ready, ready, go.
There you go. Go on. Go try and get it again. Get it this time, girly, please.
Because there's a hole in it now. There's a hole facing.
Oh, come on, May. Give it another go. Go get it. Get it, 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 get it. You got it. Good girly. Woohoo! Says Mommy going to get the kayak. Guess we better throw it into the dock more. Such a goof. I don't mind losing. There's several tennis balls down there, but I don't want to lose this bolly. Good girl, May. Yeah, she's happy now. She'd be down here all day if she could be. What are you doing, Jay? You had enough? You don't want to swim anymore? Come on, go for a swim.
Good girl, what'd you get?
Whoop. Where are you going? Come on. Come on, JJ. Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's go. Come on. No. She says, I'm not gonna. You are so stubborn sometimes. You thought Callie was stubborn. Okay, we've had enough. We don't want to go swimming anymore. Jay. Come on, buddy, Jay. Come on. Come on, buddy, Jay.
Okay, let's see now if I can get you around Callie.
Who'd ever thought Maisie and Callie'd be this close?
Ready?
Good girlie.
Girl.
Hi, May. Look like Bozo. Bozo the clown. You're silly. You having fun? Yeah? Okay.